Hello, I'm Dr. Mrinal. I'm a consultant cancer surgeon at TGH OncoLife Cancer Center, Talegaon. Today I'm going to speak about ovarian cancer. So, do you know what do you mean by ovaries? Ovaries are two in every females, which gives oocyte for the formation of the embryo. So, ovaries also secrete estrogen and progesterone. So, the ovarian cancer unfortunately happens in a postmenopausal women at the age of 60. So, what symptoms do you get in ovarian cancer? We get abdominal bloating, or decreased appetite, decreased food intake, swelling in the abdomen, increasing constipation. These are the symptoms that we found in ovarian cancer. So once we find these symptoms, the patient is supposed to undergo certain tests. So which are these tests? So one is a sonography of the abdomen pelvis. Then if there is any mass in the ovaries which is seen, then the patient will require a CT scan of the abdomen, pelvis and chest. As well as there are certain tumor markers which we are supposed to do, like CA125. So if all these things are fitting in a situation, or if they are increased, or if there is any finding, then the patient is diagnosed as an ovarian cancer. But wait, if the patient comes to me on an early stage, we can definitely cure this patient. And what are the treatment modalities we have? We have one is a chemotherapy and another is a surgery. So most of the patient require chemo as well as surgery. Either surgery first or chemo afterward, or in a sandwich therapy. And once the patient completes all this treatment, then patient is cured if he's at stage 1 and 2 at the time of diagnosis. The cure rate of stage 3 and 4 is about 50 to 60%. So my take home message is all postmenopausal women should be careful about their abdominal symptoms like bloating, increasing constipation, swelling of the abdomen, and they should seek the medical guidance as well as get investigated themselves. Thank you.